the month of March. This is my journey as a surfer shaper artist. Got to experience this beautiful morning rainbow. Inspiring. Part of the inspiration that came from that rainbow. Here's the latest custom for Tamra. That was the front and the back with some custom drawings and paintings and these one-of-a-kind abstract painted fins. Hey guys, thanks again for tuning in, and I really enjoy these fins, and I will be doing more of these videos. They're free. They do take time to create as well as the art. I would be stoked if you join the tribe and click subscribe, share it with your friends, and stay tuned in. These fins are amazing to create because there's so many layers of paint and sanding and then eventually clear coating, as you can see here. I really enjoy painting because it's a one-on-one with me and the journey, if you will. So stay tuned, more videos to follow. Stay stoked, stay inspired, and here's the completed fins that went into the board you saw previously. Multicolored. Acrylic and Posca pins. So enjoy nature, get out, explore. Have a great day. I am grateful and thankful.